My name is Simran. I am a third year medical student in Bashkir State Medical University studying in Russia. First video, I didn't really know what to shoot, but I thought let's start with the very basic. So today I'll be giving you my hostel room tour. Basically, I'll be showing you what all things we have in the room, and also at the end of the video I'll be telling you about all the amenities that are there in the room that are provided by the hostels, and also the rules and regulations that you need to keep in mind. That
While
is
living in Russia.
our cleaning timetable, like who will clean on what days, etc. Of course, you have a table here. Two tables you get in our room. One's here, one is here, and four stools we get, like stools like these. You have spaces to keep your clothes or everything you can keep, and of course the same what I told you, सेम थिंग्स आर हियर ऑल्सो, जिसमें हम मोस्टली नीचे वाले में बर्तन रखते हैं, ऊपर थोड़े बहुत बुक्स, स्पाइसेस, एनी फूड आइटम्स. ये वाला कबर्ड इज मोस्टली फॉर आवर क्लोथ्स और एनी अदर थिंग्स, वट एवर शूज, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू कीप. ड्रॉर्स में यू कैन कीप छोटे छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट्स, and it is quite spacious for 4 people, you know, and if you keep it clean there's no problem. I'm not going to show you inside the cabinets because they are quite messy, but थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ. ऐसे टाइप के कंपार्टमेंट्स है, तो आप इसमें कुछ भी रख सकते हैं, आपको जो भी रखना है वो. और कबर्ड्स में भी यू हैव लाइक कंपार्टमेंट्स लाइक दीज, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट टू हैंग सर्टन थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ओके, लाइक आप यू विल ऑल्सो गेट to hang your clothes. Of course you have to buy your own hangers, and we have installed Wi-Fi here. You can install Wi-Fi here, there's no problem in that, of course, with your own money. In our hostel we do have Wi-Fi, but it's only there in the libraries. Okay, otherwise there's no Wi-Fi. So of course आप रूम में कुछ नहीं लगा सकते हो, जैसे दिया अगरबत्ती आप देख सकते हो हमने कुछ नहीं लगाया. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट बिकॉज ऊपर रूम के ऊपर, एज यू कैन सी हियर, right here, right above my head, we have 2 smoke detectors जो डिटेक्ट करती है सारी चीज़ें. तो इसलिए आप कुछ भी जो है रूम में अगरबत्ती, दिया, धूप जो भी है कुछ नहीं लगा सकते. द व्यू फ्रॉम द रूम, इट्स बेसिकली सामने एक बिल्डिंग है, तो इतना कुछ ग्रैंड व्यू नहीं है, बट जब स्नो होती है देन इट्स लाइक क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल. यू कैन सी आउटसाइड. ये विंडो ऐसे ऊपर से भी खुल जाती है. मुझे मतलब मैंने कभी भी ऐसी विंडो नहीं देखी थी जो ऊपर से खुलती है, यहाँ पे आने के बाद ही मैंने देखी. सो फॉर गुड वेंटिलेशन, यू नो, जब आपको पूरी विंडो नहीं खोलनी, यू कैन जस्ट ओपन इट ऊपर से. दिस इज़ माई बेड, मेरे रूममेट्स का बेड है. एक्चुअली माई रूममेट्स aren't here today, they are outside, some have gone for their classes, other ones in the library. So this was basically a really good chance to shoot a room tour video. So room tour is done. Now I'll be telling you about certain rules and regulations in the hostel and koi bhi amenities that we provide. We do have common microwave ovens in the kitchen, you have those, but refrigerator we do not have. So you can buy, you know, with your own money. We do really need refrigerators in summers, but we are rarely here in the summers. Everyone goes to their home countries, so we don't really need them. We have furnitures, I'll list everything here. What ये सारी चीज़ें आपको रशिया में हर बेसिक यूनिवर्सिटी हर जगह मिल जाएंगी. You cannot modify, like you cannot write anything on the wall, paste anything, color anything, nothing you can do. It is forbidden. We haven't done any fancy to our room because it is not really allowed. Anything you want to do in your room, you have to first take permission from the hostel. After you shift in the room, maybe your light isn't working anymore, or you broke the light, you broke mirrors, or you broke the curtains, or anything, whatever damage is happened, you have to pay it for yourself. You furniture arrangements or the alignments, whatever you want to do are up to you. आपको जैसे जो चीज़ जहाँ रखनी है आप वैसे रख सकते हो. बेड शीट्स, पिलो कवर्स, blankets, everything you do get them from the hostel, and every week they are changed in your room every day. This is very important because twice in a week, or sometimes thrice in a week, or sometimes almost every alternate days room checkings, you know, happen, and we need to keep rooms clean. You need to throw your garbage every day. Clean electronic items are also not allowed, but you know, I'll not speak about that. But of course there are a few items, for example electric kettle, hair straighteners, iron, or you know, things like that are not really allowed. this much for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you really like it, please like, share, subscribe. And if you have any suggestions about anything that you want to see in Russia, or anything you're curious about, questions regarding admissions, or if you want to know anything at all about studying in Russia, please put it in the comments below. I'll try to make a video on that. And if you have any questions or anything, you can also contact me on my Instagram and Telegram links that I've already provided in the description. मेरा बेड है, ये मेरे रूममेट का है, वो गंदा है. Bye.